Are you in China and want to use international version of TikTok as I do? Every time I open, there are videos. I can scroll, go to my profile, upload videos, and use it normally as other users outside of China without having any problem. I'm talking about iOS devices. So follow the step-by-step guideline. Don't skip. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video in the end. As a first step, first of all, you need to go to your Apple Store or make sure your Apple ID doesn't belong to China. If your Apple ID belongs to China, you will not see TikTok on your Apple Store. If your Apple ID is not from China, you can simply write TikTok and download as normal TikTok app on Apple Store. If your Apple ID is already in China, then you can change the country and region. You can follow this video or simply go to your Apple ID, go to Media and Purchase, View Account, and go to Country and Region. Here you can choose any country, and if it asks you for the payment method, then choose a country that has no payment method inside, and you can choose none as payment method. But it's better to have an Apple ID out of China. Once you are done with these steps, open your Safari browser or Chrome browser, go to the search option and follow this link. The link is in the description. You need to download a VPN. Click on this icon and here you can translate it into English or Chinese. If you are in China, this website works without a VPN. Register with any of your email account, confirm the passcode. After that, log in. Once again, you can translate this page as well. Now go to the top left 3 dots and go to shop option. Here you will see a lot of different VPN packages. This is 40 RMB monthly, 100 and so on. But don't choose any package where it's written one time, because one time is not a package, that is extra bundle. For example, one time 200 yuan. It's not a package. It is a bundle in case you consume all the traffic given within a package. Once you select your package, choose next, and I gotta give you a coupon code. Scroll down and choose the months. Let's say you gotta choose 3 months or 6 months or 12 months, and every month you will be given this traffic. Here you can choose Alipay as payment method, and at this place use a coupon code for 20% discount. That is AttiqueStic, same as my YouTube channel. Verify the coupon code and you see it's 16. And now you can pay immediately. Once you click the option to pay, it will redirect you to a QR code and then come back to the dashboard. Once the payment is successful, go to the home button and you will see all your traffic there. If it's not there, refresh the page. Now scroll down and you will see all these apps. It simply means the subscription you got is for all the devices. You can use unlimited devices, no matter you are a macOS user, Windows user, iOS or an Android. I'm guiding on iOS device, so here is a tutorial. If you don't have Apple ID, then Apple ID is already given here in this tutorial. You can always translate this page, and let me guide you how you can download this app and use this subscription on the app. After subscribing to the VPN, go to your Apple Store again, and this time you search an app that is called Nextin. I have already installed this app, so what you need to do, open. So here is the subscription. I gotta guide you how you can install this subscription here in this app because it's a little bit tricky. I'm already signed in, so I gotta go to add a service. Whenever you install this app, you will see this interface, and in the first box you need to type SpeedCat all in small caps and press on next. And here you will see email and password. That's the same email and password you used to buy this subscription on the SpeedCat website here. Once you enter, for example, ABC subscription, whatever it is, at gmail.com, and then enter your password of subscription on SpeedCat website, and you will be logged in. Once you log in, you will see all your traffic here, your email ID at the top corner, and then you will see select mode and proxy. If this one is grayed out in your case, then simply press on connect and it will connect any server. Then you can go to this option and change the servers, and here are the USA server from 1 to 910. This character in Chinese is USA. and here you can see it is connected to USA as well. Make sure that in proxy mode you select global instead of rule if you are in China, and in your profile you can see your email ID here and also the remaining traffic for the subscription. Now you are connected. Open your TikTok, log in your account, and use it as normal TikTok you use in your country. If you want to watch some other videos, from the other countries, always go to the VPN and choose any other proxy. I recommend you choosing the green value with the lowest ping value there so that the speed will be much better. Same app you can use on macOS as well, and Windows PC app is already given there. Now let's move to the next VPN, and I also got coupon codes. Links are in the description, and that can be used on SpeedCat and Clash as well. The next website is VPN07. The link with my coupon code is in the description. Just go create an account and sign in. After that, go to this same place and click on buy subscription. Here are so many different packages you can buy from the list, and there is no devices limit as well. This is monthly 60 GB traffic. If you want to buy, just go to buy. And the good thing is this website also offers you payment with the help of cryptocurrency. You can choose TRC20, WeChat or Alipay, and in this section you can write my coupon code AttiqueStic 8. Once you verify, you will see the price dropped down from 85 to 68. Now you can go to pay now, and on macOS you can simply go to plans on this app and choose a plan. After logging in with the same email account, you can pay within the app. You don't need to go out of the app, and it will be synced across all your devices. So you can use this coupon code for renew or for the first time subscription anytime you want for the unlimited time. For the macOS, they have their own app, and for Android and Windows PC, they also have this app available there on the website. But for iOS users, it's a little bit different. Once you confirm your payment, go back, click on download client, and here you will see iOS. Right now the app is not out. We are still waiting for the iOS app, but you can use these proxies on third-party apps. Click on use third-party apps, and here you will see your subscription link after getting a subscription. And here are two different modes. One is for China, the other one is for overseas. So make sure if you are in China, then you copy this China link. And if you are not in China, copy the overseas link, and the link is here. You can also scan this QR code, and if you have SpeedCat app, you can directly import this one into SpeedCat or Stash or then V2Ray and search. And I'm gonna guide you about the manual method to copy subscription. This is copied. Now once again, you are well familiar with the SpeedCat app. This app is there on the Apple Store as well. Just download it. After that, just go to SpeedCat app, go to the plus icon at the top right corner. In the first box, choose subscribe, and in front of URL, you just copy the URL for China, just simply paste it here. Once you paste it, go to save option, and now your subscription is here. You can click this down arrow, you will see all the servers. And now make sure if you are in China, then use proxy as global routing, because this is working the best one. If you choose direct, it means it's not going through a tunnel, so you will face problems. So choose config, proxy or scene. Mostly proxy and config are working. Go to connectivity test and you will see all these ping values. Choose the best ping value near your physical location, then simply go and connect, and you will be connected to a new server. Your previous VPN will stop and you will see the VPN here. Now I need to go to United States, and now my location is in the States. I refresh again. Let's see if it is working with TikTok or not. Open TikTok and it's working perfect. So now if you scroll, there are so many videos here you can watch. I cannot play all these videos because of the copyrights, but you can scroll and watch TikTok normal as before. Thanks me later. Bye.